Happy Sunday, guys. How are you all doing? So I want to share my dinner with you guys. I know it's Sunday and a lot of people think you should have rice. What I have here is roasted breadfruit and I fried it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, so scrumptious. Look at this, guys. Amazing. And this is jerk chicken. Yes, guys. So you saw when I ate that, right? So I'm going to have a piece of the... This is jerk chicken, roasted. So you can jerk chicken in your oven if you don't want to. I think I need to actually do a video. What you guys think? This is for Jessie. So I did fried breadfruit here. Soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Look at this, all juicy.